So I got hair mail from the Especially Yours. And so I've got 1, 2, 3 from Especially Yours and 1 from Diana Carroll. So I went really crazy with curly, like curly. Okay, so this one, oh, I was dying for this one. I saw this one in the Paula Young store and said when I got home I would buy it. But when I got home, it was discontinued, and this was Lyon. And for some reason, it came back on and on clearance. So I got Lyon, and it's TT4 2788. And oh my God, I hope this works. This is softly waved. She'll be up in a little while. Oh, I hate when they have the plastic. Okay, so here she is. Let's get all of the plastic out of her, all of the salt packages or whatever these things are. Get her out of this. Get this, what you call it, off of her. Oh, I hope this looks good. I hope this looks good on me, because this I was loving. And let's just, it comes with 2 hair cups. I don't know why they gave me 2. And let's cut the thing out of the inside. Okay, look. All right, there. Now it's loosening up. Ooh. Okay, I love the color. See the color? We gotta loosen her up a little bit. I gotta shake her up. I just got to. Yeah, gotta give her some shape here. Okay, here is her color. Okay. All right, let's get this off. I gotta get her on. All right, again, this is softly waved in marble brown melt. And her review will be coming up. She's what I wore today, so her review is coming up. Actually, it'll be up on Sunday. So it might be, this hair mail might go up before her. All right, she's got, let's see what she has for cap. Let's see what she has for cap. So she's got basic cap. So she's got basic cap, basic weft. Yeah, she's got basic ears. Yeah, so she's got basic. Everything's basic in here. Okay, yeah. Yeah, and so she didn't have a part, but I can't wear it like this. So I don't know, how do I'm gonna have to figure out how. So she's gonna have to have some kind of part. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do some kind of part, but she's gorgeous. She's gorgeous, gorgeous. Let me show you all around. So I'm gonna have to figure out how to get some kind of, you know, it doesn't have any kind of, I'll have to figure it out. Because I don't think it had any T part in the middle. But I'll have to figure out where the part is. But this is just all curls. So, I don't know where I'm gonna put the... I'm gonna have to do some bangs or something. But this is... I'm gonna figure out what to do with it. It's gonna be so cute. Because this is just like curls like everywhere. Like, yeah. With a headband. Like if I put a headband on it. Yeah, maybe I won't even cut the curls or cut the bangs or anything. I'll just make it a headband wig. But oh yeah, like these are real cute. Real cute curls. But you see how curly the curls are? And it's like all the way to the root. So this is adorable. Yes. So this is Lyon. Oh man, my poor. All right, anyway, I can't look at this. All right, this is Arianna. I can't even read these. TT4 332 64. And this one, what did I get? And this, I don't even remember what they look like. Okay, this is a headband wig. Okay, so this is a headband. So the color is gorgeous. I love the wave. And then this is another, yeah, this is pretty. Very, very pretty. All right, let me get Lyon off. I have no idea where I'm gonna put these wigs. No idea. Because I have no more space for wigs anywhere. They're gonna have to stay in their boxes. Okay, so how? Okay, so put this on like this. Oh yeah, this one's pretty. Oh, I like this one. Oh yeah, this is much better than the one that Alyssa that I was trying to put on the other day. Yeah, this is much better. Let me show you all sides. This one's much better. Yeah, she's pretty. I like her. And then you could put whatever band you want on this. You know? Really, you could put whatever band you want. So, you could change out that headband like crazy. Alright, so that one was, this is a success. And then I got Ophelia in 99J. And this is another crazy curly one. So this is all crazy curls. Crazy, crazy curls. And this is crazy, crazy curls. Okay. Alright, so you see her? She's like a burgundy almost. But she's all curls. So let's put her on. Get this off. Oh, took my wig grip. My hair looks terrible. Get that back on. Okay. What the heck? Oh, inside out. How about that? Okay. Aw. My battery is running out. Okay. Alright, so let's look at her inside. So she has regular cap. So she's got regular side, regular nape. Okay. Let's put her on, see what she looks like. Okay, so she is another curly, Miss Curly. She is not as gorgeous as my Magnolia. Because I don't know about this part right here. Like this part right here is a little funky. So we would have to figure out what to do with this part right here. Yeah, we gotta figure out something to do with this part right here. And then I think she would be gorgeous. Right? Because we just need something to do with this part, like right here. Like this whole part right here is just funky. All right, let me see. Can you see how long it is? And then, yeah, so here it's like the curls are different. It's a different pattern, so I'll have to figure out. It's cute though, right? Yeah, we definitely will put it up and things like that. Put it in a headband. All right, so the last one, I told you I got all curly ones. The last one is called Ellis, and it's 1B3326T. So Ellis, and they're all in these big boxes. So Ellis, oh, Ellis looks like another headband one. Because Ellis comes with the headband. So Ellis comes with the headband. So, and she's super long. Oh, got everything falling out. So let's see. All right, holy cow, this one's hot. Phew. Okay, so this, it has a, but here's the color. Okay, so it's real pretty, and it's long, really long, but it's got some combs in it, but it's got, I don't know how you put this on now. You got this on first, so you put this underneath, right, and then you put this down. Yeah, I mean, I probably don't have it on right, but you get the gist, right? You put the headband on, but yeah, this is pretty. Oh yeah, this is a lot of hair. This is pretty. I don't think I have this all on right. Some of it's attached to the hair and some of it's not. So I'll have to, yeah, some of this is snapped to the hair over here. Some of it is not. So I'll have to snap it. I think I got it. Yeah. Okay. Oh yeah, it's pretty. Okay, let me take you all around. I don't know if you can see all this. This one's gonna be long. This one's pretty. Yeah, this one's pretty. I would definitely change the headband though. But this one's pretty. This one's a little awkward the way you put it on, but this one's good. Okay, so these are my 4 hair mails from Especially Yours, and I have 4 more from Paula Young. I didn't want to put them all together because 8 is a little too long of a video, so stay tuned for hair mail number 2. All right, thanks for stopping by. If you're subscribed, I appreciate you. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. I'd love to have you join my channel. And if you do, just hit that bell so that you get notified of every video that I upload. All right? Thanks for stopping by and watching. Oh, what am I doing?